My name is Laura Dennis, and I am the managing partner for Seasons 52 in Costa Mesa.
I'm Steve Van Dorn, and I'm the son of the founder, one of the founders of Vans, Paul Van Dorn, who started Vans in 1966.
My name is Holly. So I am a West Area sales manager for Jelly Belly.
Seasons 52 is a fresh grill and wine bar that focuses on a better way to eat. Everything on our menu is less than 595 calories.
Basically, our first mall store didn't come to 1980, so it was 14 years of freestanding buildings that was low rent to make his profit right.
It just makes people happy. I can hand somebody a bag of jelly beans that cost 70 cents to purchase from a buyer perspective and 99 cents in a retail store, and it lights up their day. It's just an amazing brand that makes people happy. So.
There are all kinds of fraud. So immediately what comes to mind is credit card fraud, inventory theft, taking food that they didn't pay for, or giving food away or drinks away to guests that didn't get paid for are some of the major things that you could see.
If they pay in the first 10 days of being invoiced, they get an additional 2% off. And then their cutoff is 30 days. They're late after 30 days.
A big part of that is humans and human nature. Sometimes if you can get away with it, then you will. And so having controls in place, number one, helps set a standard for how things should be and creates a better experience and environment for our guests, but also it keeps everyone honest.
Numbers are super important. Our president, to the other vice presidents in product, everybody looks at those at the numbers and stuff. That's your report card. The report card, to me, comes out, each, again, if you're a public company like VF, so there's a every quarter, they come out with a report card, on your company and how's it going and stuff.
We like to get paid.
All of the money that we have in the building is locked up in a safe or locked up in a cash drawer, and we try to keep controls in place to limit the amount of cash that we actually have in the cash drawers as well. Those who are attached to a cash drawer or managers actually have what we refer to as a swipe card, where they actually swipe it just like a credit card, and that's how they get access to opening up the drawer.
Most customers are really good about paying their bills, especially within the 10 days, because they want that extra 2%, because they're looking at the same balance sheets and the same cost and labor and all the same things.
It's just thinking about what you spend. That's what I learned from accountants and stuff, because every dollar means something.
We have a philosophy of ring it before you bring it. So my team member can't just walk up to the bartender and say, hey, I need, this drink, make it for me. The bartender is required to have a ticket for that drink.
My father always taught me, if you have a lemonade stand, okay, you can't sell lemonade for 5 cents if it's costing you 6 cents. You're gonna go out of business.
You use math everywhere. It's the same thing with accounting. You have to have a general understanding of accounting, especially in my capacity.
It helps me operate a better business by having a deeper understanding, or at least a little bit of an understanding of how the accounting of our systems work.
You can't go spend more than what you have, or you're going to go out of business.